Meteorologist Carly Gomez has more on the incoming storm. And Carly, it's a big one.
Mark, it's a huge one. I mean, this is once in a even lifetime for some people's scenarios. We're looking at the live Mega Doppler 7000. You can actually see a lot of the showers moving onshore at this moment. We're seeing just one cell off the coast here of Long Beach. That is going to make its way onshore. A brief downpour expected, but the biggest and the bulkiest portion of the storm that is moving in late tonight, expecting to bring in potential for mudslides, debris flows, all of the above, making it a very dangerous situation for Christmas Eve. These dangerous floods starting up just late tonight to the early tomorrow morning, continuing even as late as Friday. We're going to be looking at that extreme risk here for flash flooding. Please avoid creeks, streams, high water, even urban flooding on roadways, something you don't want to be dealing with. And we're also going to be seeing some damaging winds. That'll bring in some additional concerns, including power outage potential, as well as down trees, power lines, all of that as well. All right, we have a high wind warning. This is in effect within really just the next 45 minutes until Thursday afternoon. This will till 3 p.m. The high winds could be as high as anywhere from 25 to even 50 miles per hour. Some of the mountaintops could get as high as 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts. We're also seeing that flood watch across the entire state of California, looking at as much as 2 to 5 inches of rain within about a 24 to 36-hour span of time. This is all the way down, again, through Southern California and most of Northern California, as we've been seeing that in effect for the last 24 hours. Let's fast forward here at the timing of this event for you. Late tonight, that's when we first start getting some of our heavy rain. You can see it moving onshore near Santa Barbara. Then it continues, and the heaviest downpours in that red color orange zones here, that's at 5:30 a.m. This is really, though, keep in mind, anywhere from about 1 a.m. to about 10 a.m. We're going to continue to see heavy downpours across Southern California, and we do not really get a break until, check that out, almost 6 p.m. for the L.A. Orange County area. That is Christmas Eve, so after 6 p.m., you may have that small lull in the storm to get stuff done. If you're in Riverside, San Bernardino area, you're still getting heavy rain. You may have to wait about another hour or two for that to pass you. Then we get into Christmas. We're going to have scattered showers on and off throughout the day, not quite as intense, but look at Thursday, that's Christmas night. We start getting the next bulk of the storm coming in through Friday morning. All right, let's look at that rain forecast. We could see as much as 1 to 4 inches of rainfall across the region, and check out Ojai, Camarillo, anywhere from 4 to maybe 8 inches of rain within just that 24-hour span. Then we'll be pushing some of these numbers upward of anywhere from 7 to 10 inches of rain from Altadena to Ojai. I mean, this is a massive amount of rain, again, in a very short amount of time, something that's so dangerous. If you're in those burn scar areas, you'll need to evacuate if you were asked to, as well as if you're just seeing that water rising, something you need to keep in mind. All right, let's take a look at wind gusts. This is the other element of it that's going to start kicking up today, anywhere from about 15 to 25-mile-per-hour winds, and then moving into your Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, we can see the winds also picking up again, upwards of 40 miles per hour inland. Highs today will be anywhere from those mid-60s to low 60s across our region. You're seeing that from Covina to Glendale, Encino, as well as Fillmore for today. All right, temperatures will drop just a little bit throughout the week, but again, 2 to 4 inches of flooding potential for your Wednesday with thunderstorm chances. We'll see more of that rain on and off Thursday to Friday, with finally a break into your Saturday and Sunday. For the Valley and IE, 3 to 6 inches of rainfall possible, strong wind gusts, even potential for some weak tornadoes, especially tornadic activity near our beaches with potential for water spouts there. We'll see about 2 to 3 inches of rain. Our mountains will not see snow until we get to about Christmas. That night, we have a better shot at 7,000 feet to see some snow. And then it'll be pretty light to flurries just moving through. Otherwise, our desert's about a couple inches of rain there, with those temperatures right around those mid-50s marks. So a lot headed our way, and we've got to get ready for it, especially late tonight.